Well, Adil Hussain, the actor, is somebody who joins us now. Education is an important cause for him. Education has been disrupted for so many children across India, whether it is because they've had to withdraw from schools for a number of reasons, or whether it's because they have no way to access online learning. Why is it so important to ensure that these children, especially from low-income households, get back to learning really quickly?
I think this is a responsibility of every country or every society, that we do not leave behind amazing talents, those who are born in rural areas or in the areas where economy hasn't yet sort of gone in and lifted them up. I come from a very, very poor background myself. My father was a teacher. My father could not have afforded my education unless it was free. Right from primary school till I came to National School of Drama and got a scholarship to study acting in London. And there are so many other examples like that, in our film industry itself. Nawazuddin, Pankaj Tripathi, Irfan Khan, and you name it. There are so many of them, and there could be thousands of Pankaj Tripathis and Adils, and those who are aspiring to go for higher studies in different fields according to their inner calling. And I think the initiative by Rang De is one of the most important initiative, because unless we educate the most important section, that means that the larger section of our society is not being able to support themselves to go for education and secondary and higher secondary and higher education.
Adil, you were mentioning about how your father was a teacher himself, and your link to education from obviously a very young age. What have you seen education do to the many students that you have interacted with?
Up the horizon, it gives you a greater and larger worldview. It makes you a wider and larger person. It helps you to accommodate other ideas. It makes you a person who would understand the other. Overall, I think it helped me to become who I am today, and today what I am is not about how famous I am or what I'm able to do, but as a human being, that I have become a contributing member of the citizenry of the nation. I had been being able to help people to empathize through my art, and all the other students that I know, they are also they have become a creative member of the nation. They have become the creative member of the country. The only thing he wanted is that his sons to be educated. And he, of course, dreamt a different dream for me. He wanted me to become a professor in English, to study literature, to study English literature and Assamese literature and Bengali literature, in order to understand what humanity means, what humanism means, what country means, what patriotism means, what is the purpose of life, and all that. And he could not do it financially, but he made sure that we were given the right values and he practiced absolutely strict principles in terms of his honesty and dedication to make sure that he gives us those values. So I think that what Rang De is doing is very unique and utterly important, and we must all support this as much as we can in order to give interest-free loans to the aspiring students, those who come from downtrodden society and economically backward class.
Adil, wonderful for sharing those thoughts on the value of education, what you've seen from a young age with your father being a teacher.